Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking prerequisites. Make sure both phones support eSIM and are carrier unlocked. Once done, log into your carrier app or account to locate the eSIM transfer option. This is where the carrier verifies permissions. You should also back up your current eSIM profile and any important settings to avoid data loss. Make sure devices are on reliable Wi-Fi and at least half charged. Now open the source device's cellular settings and select the eSIM you plan to transfer. You now start the core transfer. On the source device, tap the eSIM profile and choose Transfer or Export. Carriers vary, but the flow is similar. Next, on the receiving device, open cellular settings and choose to add an eSIM. Scan the QR code provided or accept the transfer token sent by the carrier. During this step, you'll enter a verification PIN or confirm a code. This prevents unauthorized moves. Keep both devices side by side and connected. Progress indicators show when the profile is uploading to the target device. You finish by activating the transferred eSIM on the target device. Follow any carrier prompts to complete activation. Once activated, make a test call, send an SMS, and load a web page to verify voice and data. If the source device still shows the eSIM, remove it only after the target works. This prevents accidental loss. If activation stalls, restart the device and retry. And if problems persist, contact your carrier to reissue the eSIM or resend the transfer token. That one troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.